Thinking about selling your home this coming spring? A deep clean and a refresh can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Here's your ultimate spring cleaning checklist. Start with decluttering. Go room by room, packing away items you don't use daily. This makes your space look bigger and helps buyers visualize themselves there. Next, focus on deep cleaning. Dust all the surfaces, scrub the baseboards, and shampoo the carpets. And don't forget the windows, they should sparkle inside and out. In the kitchen, clean appliances, countertops, and cabinets. A spotless kitchen makes a great first impression. Curb appeal matters too, so power washing your driveway, trimming the shrubs, and planting fresh flowers are important. First impressions are key, and your home's exterior is the first thing buyers see. Finally, stage your home. Arrange furniture to maximize space and light, and add fresh flowers or neutral decor for a welcoming touch. With this checklist, your home will shine and stand out in the upcoming competitive spring market. Ready to list? Let's get started today. 919-740-0379. Have a great day.